So this is our sum to execute the problem in MATLAB. The sum is plot the grid on maximum power transfer in the circuit when RL is varied from 0 to 8 ohms when 0.2 steps with VThevenin is equal to 15 volts and RThevenin is equal to 5 ohms. So here this is the circuit. Here the current will be flows in the direction. Here we can plot the graph between power at maximum with respect to load resistance RL. Here I is equal to VThevenin by RThevenin plus RL by considering RL is equal to 3. Here the RL will be varying from 0 to 8. We can take 3. Okay. Here I is this VThevenin by RThevenin plus RL whole square into RL. So we can write this VThevenin square by RThevenin plus RL whole square into RL. Now you can write this PL is equal to VThevenin by 4 RL. Here VThevenin is 15 volts and RL we consider 3 ohms. By substituting these values, 15 square by 4 into 3 is equal to 225 by 4 3 is 12. So the PL is 18.75 watts. According to maximum power transfer theorem, here RThevenin is equal to RL. We need to plot this graph at 0 resistance value. If we substitute 0 here, power is 0 and it will be increasing like this. At particular point it becomes a maximum over that will decreases. So the final value this is VThevenin square by 4 RL. In our case it is 18.75 watts and this is RThevenin. RL is equal to RL is nothing but 3 ohms. So we need to plot this to write a MATLAB program to write this. Now can execute the program in MATLAB by adding new script like this. First CLC is to clear semicolon, enter. By entering VThevenin voltage, VThevenin is equal to 15 volts semicolon and RThevenin is equal to 3 ohms, and we are using the for loop. Why? Because the RL is varying from point to point. The varying from point is 0.5 for using for loop. For I is nothing but a variable. I is equal to from varying 1 is to 81 and RL of I is equal to I variable I I into 0 point, this is the step size of the RL, minus 0.1 semicolon, and we know the RL and apply the and execute URL and enter the power at maximum. So PL of I is equal to by entering VThevenin voltage by RThevenin plus RL of I whole square into RL of I semicolon. And next the plot this program on grid. RL comma with respect to x-axis RL and with respect to y-axis PL. Press enter and type grid. Typing grid. By saying this program. Okay. Running. Here line 1. CNC. And I get this graph like this. Here the maximum value is at 3. I enter and I modify this program without entering the values of VThevenin and RThevenin like this. VThevenin input potential, enter voltage of battery, voltage of battery, VThevenin is equal to semicolon, enter, and RThevenin is equal to input brackets, enter resistance RThevenin is equal to semicolon, here this program and running. It will ask the voltage of the battery at command window. I entering the voltage 15 volts, enter and ask, and will be asked resistance at command window. I enter 3 ohms. It will show the graph like this. like this graph. The voltage is maximum at 3. The power rating is 18.27 and the volt resistance is maximum at 3. Also modifying the values. Run this program. I entering the voltage 20 and resistance is 8. It will show the graph like this. The maximum